Exercise 44. This exercise comes just after introduction to functions. So create a function that named addNums that asks the user for 3 numbers, adds up those numbers and shows the sum. Call the function. Okay. These are a very basic function. The functions will get more complex later in future lessons. So that's the definition of the function. Then we call the function. Okay. So if we run that, enter first number 25, second number 8, third number 10, and it says the total is 43. Okay. So this is just about creating a user-defined function and calling it. Nothing complicated. If you're finding this exercise is useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you need one-on-one Python lessons, please sign up at ondevs.com. Thank you for watching.